O is the center of circle x square plus y square is equal to r square, and now is r is condition is given, r is always is greater than root 5 by 2, and suppose pq is a chord of the circle and equation of the line passing through the pq is a 2x plus 4y is equal to 5, then if the center of the circumcircle is a triangle opq lie on the line, then the value of r. So suppose I'll just made by the, now see check, is a chord is a condition is given, so I'll just use the one chord is a pq, so this one is a pq chord, right? And is the equation is given 2x plus 4y is equal to 5, right? Correct. After that is say is another circle is a circumcircle of triangle opq, so o is a point center of this one, so opq is a triangle like this and is a circumcircle. So now is, can you see that is a circle is like this, that's the all the three vertex in these pq. Now can you see, and he say and the center of the circumcircle opq is a lie on the line, so I'll just made by the one line, and he say that is a lie on this line, x plus 2y is equal to 4. Is now is a question, and it is also is asking the radius of this one. So easily possible is a center is already given 0 comma 0, right? So can you firstly is a connected this one to this one, now is name use the your choice, you can use the m or pqr, so you can use the r right now. Or same thing I'll just suppose is joint, that is a radius of this circumcircle, so I'll just use that is a name is pqrs, right? So or is a radius of the another circle is a second circle, circle c2, and this one is a circle c1, right? So if you clearly see, then check, if you find the perpendicular distance from this pq, firstly assume that is a point in terms of this one. So now can you see that y or is a, if you suppose y is a y, then x is equal to 4 minus 2y, so is a point center of the circle, you can assume in terms of this one. Second thing, if you know that that is a distance is a perpendicular, both the line is perpendicular and both the equation is possible, this one is m is possible, so slope of or is directly possible. How to y2 minus y1, because it's a 0 0 comma 0 is the second point, so y upon 4 minus 2y is the slope. Second is slope of pq, slope of pq is a directly is given 2 by minus 2 by 4 in a this line, so directly minus 1 by 2 is possible. If your m1 m2 is you apply the minus 1, then directly your y coordinate is possible, m1 m2 m2 is equal to minus 1. If his y coordinate is possible, then his x coordinate also possible, meaning his second center is possible. After that, you know, see that op square, so op square I'll just written in the two form. PS is a common in both the triangle, I'll just use this triangle because is a need in a I just use this triangle, this triangle. So in a both are the common, then we, can you say that is PS square according to first triangle is a first triangle second OP square minus OS square. Same thing in a second triangle, PS square is equal to PR square plus RS square. So in this one, OP is a radius of the first one, so I'll just assume that is a R square. So R square is equal to, if both are equal, then R square is equal to PR square minus RS square plus OS square. And how to find the OS, RS or PR is a very easy. PR is a radius of this one, so distance from OR is a RS, so directly RS is possible. PR is a possible is a radius of the second one, is I'll just assume that is a capital R. Second one is RS square. RS square meaning is R distance, perpendicular distance from PQ to center of the another circle, so is a direct distance is a PRS. So if you apply the perpendicular distance is the RS square possible. Third thing is OS square. So OS is same is a perpendicular distance from in this side 0 comma 0, perpendicular is in a PQ. So you can just apply. So three perpendicular OR possible, RS possible, and QS possible. I just assume that is a perpendicular distance formula in two sides, and OS is a distance between 0 to point center of the second one. So after that is apply the PC square plus RC square plus OP square, then is R square is equal to, now is a two values. It's an easily possible, is only calculation based. After that, so first is a diagram is very important. Now I hope you understand. Thank you.